afternoon. I've come down to Padley Gorge today, so just down from the Foxhouse Pub. You can come down to this. It's the end of Burbage Moor over there, and it took me about half an hour to get here, exactly, from Chesterfield through the Longshore Estate and onto Padley Gorge. Looking forward to this one. Yeah, just come down into the gorge from the fields, and the heather is absolutely beautiful, like something out of Lord of the Rings or Game of Thrones or something.